Welcome guys, Payton here. Today we are in how to make money watching videos. So what we're going to do today is a pretty interesting thing. We're going to test this web page. This website says that they will pay you by watching videos. So the website is called Zoombax and I won't waste your time. Let's get into the video. So yeah guys, the first thing that we have to do, as you can see, is Zoombax. So how it works. Want engagements. Advertisers want engagements for these surveys, products, and services. The second thing that they do is that they recruit members. We find members willing to get paid for completing various actions. And lastly, you do online actions. Take surveys, complete offers, watch videos, and get paid with cash and gift cards. Okay, so first we're going to sign up and I'll see you soon. So yeah, now we are here and as you can see, we have 0 points and home, surveys, watch and offers. Okay, basically what we're going to do, we're not going to do this because we don't want to do this, we have come here for the videos. So as you can see, there are two options, Hideout TV and Bluetoothly. Um, I don't know which one is better. 7 points for 3 videos and 5 points for 3 videos. So yeah, I think that we will be doing this one. Let's see what does this one offers. I don't know what they are going to show here. Yeah, agree. And now what? There's hope. Okay, I think. Yeah. So what we have to do is just watch this video or what. Okay, so yeah, I will be watching this video and I will see you soon. Okay, so I've been doing this for 1 hour or more. I think that even more than an hour. So as you can see, no points, rewards, if anything, 0 points. I have nothing. So yeah, I guess that this is a scam, at least in the videos. So yeah, there is nothing we can do about it. But yeah, there is nothing we can do. I'm going to watch, I'm going to try this one as well, and let's see. Okay, so I must be doing something wrong on the laptop because I've done this with my phone, with my personal account. This account is the YouTube account. But yeah, I've done it on my phone with my personal accounts and it have worked. So I've gained 300 points in 1 hour. I don't know, let's say that I want an Amazon gift card. So yeah, redeem. Oh, 5590. That's a lot. Okay, so we will make a quick operation to see how many hours do we have to watch videos to get $5 Amazon gift card. Okay, so we're here and we need 5,590 points. We got 300 for just 1 hour. So let's see how many hours do we need to get the $5 Amazon gift card. So we will need 18 hours and I want to see because this is 18, so let's see in 19 hours. I think that this will be a lot more. 6.2, well, 6,000, 6,200. Oh, it's not 6,200. So yeah, as you can see, it will take you 18 hours to do this. So yeah, you can make money watching videos, but is it really worth it? So yeah, as you have seen, this app will pay you, but you can leave your work. This can be another way to make money, but you can't live off this. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, you know what to do. Share the video, like it, and subscribe to the channel. I've got nothing else to say. Until the next one.